Hindi naman po to competition.
Yeah, it's not a competition.
At sa amin po, we can say na unique din po talaga yung season namin. At tinangkilik po talaga ng mga tao.
Yeah,
pero
Sinagot ni Esnir Ranolo ang naging pahayag ni PBB Gen, 11 big winner Fiang Smith, na wala pa ring makakatalo sa batch namin. Binigyang diin ni Esnir sa panayam kay Boy Abunda na bawat PBB season ay may kanya-kanyang taste at uniqueness, at sa kaso ng kanilang batch ay talagang tinangkilik ito ng publiko dahil sa bago at espesyal na format. Ayon naman kay Charlie Fleming, masasabing natatangi ang Celebrity Collab Edition dahil ito ang unang beses na nagsanib puwersa ang dalawang higanteng network na GMA at ABS-CBN para sa isang reality show. Kaya hindi dapat ikumpara sa ibang batch. Sa kabila ng direktang komento mula kay Fiang, nanatiling magalang at diplomatikong sinagot ni Esnir at Charlie ang issue. At mas pinili nilang igiit ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaiba-iba sa mga batch sa halip na makipagkompetisyon o patulan ang issue.
When Fiang said na wala pa rin, I don't know if this is an exact quote, na parang, ay wala pa rin makakatalo sa batch namin.
hindi naman po to competition.
Yeah, it's not a competition,
I feel like iba't
But the
ibang
business is a big competition. You know what I'm saying,
Yes,
Esnir?
opo.
Oo.
Pero feeling ko, Tito Boy, yung iba't ibang season, may iba't ibang taste po talaga.
Definitely.
At sa amin po, we can say na unique din po talaga yung season namin. At tinangkilik po talaga ng mga tao.
Yeah,
Pero
our seasons are different. This is the first GMA and ABS collab. So it's completely different from what batch they have.
Iba-iba kami ng amats, kumbaga.
Yeah.
At I love their season 2.
She's really very interesting. This is not about her, no? Pero kayo ba, as young artists, do you have extra effort to get to know people who've been here for a long time, people who paved the way?
Yes,
You know, of course, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. This has something to do with the controversy of Fiang and not knowing very well Miss Pops Fernandez.
Yes, po.
Kayo ba, do you go out of your way to really know ang mga artista na nakapaligid sa inyo?
Of course po, Tito Boy, I have a lot of respect po talaga lalo na sa mga big stars.
Yeah.
At saka talaga kilalanin din, no?
Opo, lahat po dapat may magba-background check po tayo, ganyan. Kasi same lang po tayo ng industry.
I saw that conversation you had with Vice.
Yes po.
Wonderful conversation. Diba? Tama ba ako? You cannot be a Vice ganda, but you can be...
And
Yes,
Esnir.
yes,
Love
Diba?
that.
Ganda ng point ni Vice na yun. Ikaw, Charlie, in that respect.
Ako naman po, of course, I don't know all of the veterans that we do have, but I really do try to get to know them din po. And even through the shows that we have in GMA, minsan po they're there. And the last show I did po was Widows, where I was filled with veterans, wonderful veterans. And I can say that I've learned so much po from